Welcome to the third day of our pronunciation challenge in 30 days. My name is Chris Rossi, I'm an English teacher, and on my YouTube channel, Lexical Notebook, I teach study strategies to help you learn English. If you have just started and are curious about lexical notebooks, there is a video for you to watch. You can find the link below. Ready for your challenge? Remember that every challenge has 3 stages: focus, study, and practice. Off we go! Focus. Today we are going to talk about the schwa. It's such a common sound in English that it even has a name. What is a schwa? The schwa is a very frequent vowel sound in English, and it does not correspond to just one written letter. If you recognize and use the sound, it helps your pronunciation to become more similar to a standard pronunciation, which people can understand easily. Why do you need to know about that? It is a sound that appears in many common words, like articles and prepositions, which are weak when pronounced. A very common mistake for Portuguese speakers is to stress the wrong sound or stress the wrong word, making the word sound quite strange for those who are hearing. They are not sure what your intention is, what you are trying to highlight in your sentence. Study. To learn more about the schwa, you are going to watch the video on link 1 and write down the sentences team uses. Watch the video as many times as you need and pause when necessary. You can take notes of new words, but don't stop to check their meaning during the activity. Do that when you finish the task. Then, try to pronounce the sentences the way they did it in the video. After that, answer the questions on your daily challenge notebook. Which sentences did Tim use in the video? How could you transcribe the pronunciation of these sentences to help you remember how to pronounce the weak or schwa sounds? If you have friends who are also studying English, talk to them about that. Practice. Let's practice. Click on the second link and do the exercise. Would you like to go beyond? If you liked the subject, download the exercises on link 3. Don't worry about the phonemic transcription, which is written between forward slashes, but focus on how to pronounce these words. You can use the website howdoyousay.com to listen to how each word is pronounced. You type the word and you choose if you want to check the American or British pronunciation. If you really liked the subject, then I suggest you watch another video on link 4. Remember to fill in your self-assessment using the checklist. This is really important for you to see what you have already learned and what still needs to be revisited at the end of this challenge. See you soon!